Hello, I'm James Stanley, a technical specialist with AirPower Incorporated. I want to talk to you today about the new Cleco mPro300. It utilizes the Neotech tools, whether it be pistol, right angle, or inline configuration. It has the new digital cable. But more than anything, I want to talk to you today about how to set that controller up straight out of the box. Some of the things you would need to do to get it running, just the basics, right? Just to be able to run to a torque. So the first thing we would do from our main screen, we'd go to Tool Setup. We would install that tool. We have Tool Group 1. We just click OK. We're not getting too technical. We're just going through the basics. So we have that added. One of the things we can do is go to Tool Settings and verify that our model number and our serial number match the tool that we have connected. In this case, it does. So we accept that. So then once we get back to our main screen, hit our navigator button, then we go back to our basic screen. Again, we want to just get the tool running. So in this case, let's say that we have a target torque of 5 Newton meters. In this case, we would hit auto program. We'd go ahead and type in 5 Newton meters. Hit the enter key, hit OK. And it gives us our basic setup. So we can go in and adjust speeds, we can adjust angle limits, all of those things, but in this case now we've got a program that we can run the tool. We hit navigator, we hit accept, we go to our run screen, we select our application, and we can run the tool. In this case we're utilizing a 26 Newton meter Neotech pistol attached with the new digital cable. Then we'll run that on our application real quick. And there we go.